We must recognize that our future anchors on the progress of science and technology that will entail maximizing the potential of this discipline as an anchor of nation building. This vision drives our work with local leaders, policymakers, and stakeholders to utilize science responsibly. Biotechnology, in particular, presents an opportunity to redefine governance in ways that benefit public health. Kaya po yung ating mga local executives, LGUs, dapat bigyan nila kaukulang pansin at pag-aaral din o pagsuporta sa ating mga bioscientists.